Hey guys, this is my part 2 video for my Nissan Leaf. I assembled the parts, so here it is. As you can see, I put all together the parts. It's a bit crooked, the hinge, so that's why the bonnet is like that. So I think I probably have to replace the hinges as well. So that's the old parts. This car has been badly damaged, so it's just right in the side. So that's the parts that I've been replaced: bonnet, radiator, and some rods. So luckily the parts is replaceable, and also the airbag, the handle. So that's the handle there, looking good now. So I add up some fog light LED. By the way, I replaced all lights LED, so the headlights LED, the parking and signal light, and pretty much the interior as well. So the lights from that, it's LED, that one, and at the back it's LED, reverse light, pretty much LED, so kind of save a little bit power. And also I add up voltage meter. This is just for auxiliary battery, 12 volts. So when you turn it on, it's been parked for 2 months, so let's see how much the battery, never been charged. So 13.7 is charging because it's the vehicle is on. So 14, I think it's doing bulk charge. So it's on 36 mileage kilometers. So by the way, this is the airbag. That one there I can't replace because it's kind of mounting. It's 13.6. Those are, I just hooked up this direct to here, the voltage. So every time you switch it on, it's sensing the voltage for the battery. So that's exactly what's the voltage, the 12 volts battery. So yeah, that's it. So that's LED. Let's see, turn on the lights. So parking lights LED, and those are the lights that I replaced before. This car has got no fog light, so it's closed over here. So I made a hole, just stick in that one. So far so good. So this what inside. I'm just ordering a new hinges. So the hinge is a bit crooked, so I haven't done this part yet. So that's the part that I replaced underneath. I'm looking forward to charge this for my off-grid solar. That's all. By the way, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to update more video on my Nissan Leaf project. Thanks for watching.